Have you ever wondered, as you watch a giant airplane cross the sky at immense speed, what this incredible machine looked like a century ago? Let's travel back in time to around 1925 to see what airplanes and air travel were like. Just 2 decades after the Wright brothers' first flight, aircraft were still in their early stages. Forget the sleek metal fuselage. Most planes were built from wood and stretched fabric to be lightweight. They were known as biplanes, with 2 wings stacked one above the other to provide greater lift. The engines at that time were much less powerful than we imagine today, typically ranging from 80 to 200 horsepower. Speeds were modest, maybe not exceeding 200 kilometers per hour at most for large commercial planes. And the flights? They were very noisy and uncomfortable due to vibrations. Was everyone traveling by air? Definitely not. Flying was reserved for the elite and the wealthy. A large passenger plane might carry only a maximum of 10 to 30 people. Imagine. There were no air-conditioned cabins. The windows might just be open slots. Some early planes had a completely open cockpit. Airports were not what we know today. They were more like large hangars or dirt fields. There was no complex security screening or duty-free shops. And the flights? They were often short-haul and took a long time with frequent stops for refueling. The whole experience was more of a true adventure than a mere means of transport. But this period also saw a boom in giant seaplanes that were used for transatlantic travel before the development of land-based airports and their long runways. These aircraft represented the pinnacle of luxury at the time. In conclusion, airplanes 100 years ago were simple structures, an adventure for the wealthy, and a humble beginning to a revolution that changed the face of the world. What an amazing evolution in just 1 century! What do you think is the most significant change between the past and the present? Share your thoughts, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.